everybody and welcome back to today's brand new video. Today guys, I actually bought another baby, you know what I mean? Baby ma. So this is actually the Macbook M1 Pro 2020 and it's actually one of the best. So as you guys see sa intro, I may not have the best unboxing video ever. That's because I already opened this one sa store, and knowing the fact that it's no longer Windows is making me anxious and it's making me panic. Like, oh my god, what do I do? What do I do, girl? What do I do? So how did I arrive with the Macbook Pro M1 2020? Story time! Ina mga chismis! Mga chismosa sa labas! So basically, I've actually wanted the MacBook Air M1 chip 2021. That's because based on my research, it shows that this MacBook Air is way more powerful than any other MacBook Pros. That's because may M1 chip na siya. The other MacBook Pros and the other MacBook Air has Intel Core, and basically M1 chip is way more powerful, bolder, stronger, and fiercer. Kinawag drag race! It basically shows, guys, that the MacBook Air M1 2021 with the M1 chip is way more faster than any other MacBook Pros. Now, that's because it has M1 chip. MacBook Air M1 2021 is way more cheaper as well, and it can handle different tasks that you wanted to do, you know, compared to Air. If you're gonna be asking me, I'm definitely gonna be going sa Air. Pero the reason why I bought the MacBook Pro is because I just don't want yung nagahang, I don't want delays, because that's the reason why I bought a new laptop, to avoid further delays and to make my work faster. Please, for the techie persons, correct me if I'm wrong, I'm just a regular beauty queen. So with this laptop, it doesn't have any USB ports. So wala siyang USB port. It actually has two Apple insertan. So Apple siya, hindi siya USB na yun, girl. Tapos on the other side, it actually has a one hole, glory hole, audio jack. It only has one audio jack. So this one, for you to insert your USBs from the Windows, you have to have an adapter. Yon. So yes guys, so if you're actually on a budget and you wanted a MacBook, I totally recommend you the MacBook Air 2021 with the M1 chip. But if you have a little bit more budget and you wanted to go better and way more faster, then definitely you can go with the MacBook Pro M1 2020, which is definitely a legendary and hands down MacBook. Definitely guys, super ganda. Inside the box, actually, a 87 watts USB-C power adapter, which is this it's not that heavy, a little bit heavy lang, and long lightning cables. So very big and heavy and very long. Love it! Upon using this one, it actually took me maybe like 30 minutes lang just to charge my laptop in complete 95% already. So imagine how this one is like super fast talaga and very convenient. So there you go guys, I hope you did enjoy this mini unboxing and self-explanatory video with the MacBook. Enlighten me with the light of the future. Share your tips or any information na alam niyo about MacBook down below so I can read it. And if you did enjoy this kind of video, then please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Always remember to put your packness to the next level. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!